Welcome to PushEngage. Goal tracking helps you see within the PushEngage dashboard how many goals count you have achieved and the goal value of your campaigns. Whether it's e-commerce revenue, page views, or other key actions, goal tracking is essential. Let's dive in. Navigate to Analytics and select Goal Tracking. Here, you can enable goal tracking and define your goals. For instance, let's track revenue. You can set the tracking method to last click or last view and define the lookback window as your attribution method. Next, input your goal name, like revenue, and choose the currency. Once set, click Update to save your goal settings. It's that simple. With goals configured, return to the dashboard to monitor real-time progress. You'll see goal counts and values across all campaigns, including broadcasts, autoresponders, and triggers. For detailed insights, explore individual campaign statistics. Each campaign shows the number of goals achieved, helping you understand which strategies work best. PushEngage's goal tracking empowers you to measure success and optimize your web push campaigns for better engagement and conversion. Start tracking your goals today and drive your business forward.